TikTok-fueled FOMO causes a Dogecoin to skyrocket, minting teenager millionaires within days. Who would have thought? Hey guys, Lewis here from Conscious Crypto, where we make it easy for new investors to get into crypto and start generating life-changing wealth. Today, I want to show you 3 ways to minimize your risk when first entering an investment and hopefully not get wrecked. Because I don't know if you've been watching over the last week or so, but it's been a wild land in the crypto markets. With Dogecoin going up and down, as well as a bunch of other coins going up and down. It's been totally wild, and a lot of people have lost a lot of money. So we made this video to see if it would help. Obviously, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Okay, without further ado, 3 tips to not getting wrecked. So, in case you haven't been watching, like I mentioned, the markets have been going crazy over the last week with Dogecoin going up and going down, SafeMoon going up and going down, and a whole bunch of other coins going up and going down. Hashtag Dogecoin 420. The goal was to get Doge to 69 cents, and it failed. And that's because these coins actually have no value to them. There's nothing to sustain the value. It's all based on FOMO and hype. Once the hype dies down, the coin crashes. Cryptoland is full of parabolic moves, sometimes with 100x gains happening in one day. And when our monkey minds see this, we start frothing at the mouth, trying to get in. Look at it! Just look at it! This feeling is FOMO, and it's a dangerous place to invest from. You don't make good decisions from FOMO. FOMO will get you wrecked. Now, if a coin is experiencing all-time highs, that is the most dangerous time to buy the coin. The higher it goes, the more sell pressure there is, and there's always going to be somebody who bought the coin way before you, just waiting to sell you their bags. This is especially true for coins that have become memes, like Doge, Shiba Inu, Ast, Uranus, Scam. They're all investments that are insanely dangerous. So unless you got into the coin super early, when it first started pumping, odds are you're going to be losing a ton of money by buying the top. Get your head in the game. Tip number 2. Dollar cost average. You don't have to invest all of your money in one go. In fact, it's much safer to spread it out over many small transactions. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it's what the big brains do. Now, when you dollar cost average, you minimize your risk by spreading out your entry point over many small transactions. If the price goes up, you put a little bit in. The price goes down, you put a little bit in. That way, you're not betting on the price to go up immediately after you invest in the coin. If the price tanks, you're not going to hurt as much, but you're still going to get some benefit if the price goes up. Like I said, big brainer thing to do. Now, if fees are an issue for you, say you're using Uniswap and you can't spend that much to dollar cost average, just go over to CoinGecko, see if that coin is on CoinGecko. You can see sometimes it's on other exchanges, and if it is, this could actually save you hundreds of dollars in transaction fees on a single transaction. It's pretty crazy right now on the Ethereum network. By the way, if this is all new to you and you're new to investing in crypto, head on over to our website, consciouscrypto.ca, where you will find our self-paced crypto starter courses to get you invested in crypto in 1 hour or less. We've designed them to give you everything you need to get into the space incredibly fast, while still giving you the tools and the confidence to grow your crypto investments, make passive income, and understand the industry better. It's fast, it's fun, it's easy. You can check it out in the link in the description of this video. Tip number 3, time your entries. So when you're looking to invest in a project in Cryptoland, there's a few things you can do to kind of do your own research and make sure that this is a good time to buy. Number 1, you can take a look at the charts. So you can find tons of charts for cryptocurrencies at tradingview.com. I'll put a link in the description of this video once again. Now, I'm not a TA expert. I'm not a pro at this by any means, but I do know a few things. Number 1, I do know that buying at the very top is the most dangerous spot that you can buy. Instead, you want to look for coins that have gotten boring, entered their accumulation phase, and are sitting at what's called support. So here's a chart from one of my favorite projects called Selframe. See how it's gone flat for a while? It means it's got some solid buying support at this level, and it's probably reached a local bottom. This coin looks good to go any day now. Not financial advice. You'll also want to see if the coin has some major catalysts coming up. Is it getting listed on a major exchange soon? Does it have a mainnet coming out? Is there some big crypto influencer who's just pumping it on their YouTube page? Look for news, understand what might pump its price up, and then set a target when you invest. Now, we use CoinMarketCal to understand when all the new releases are coming out for different coins. So I'll put a link for that website in the description of this video as well. And if there's anything we should have learned from Doge, it's that hype really does matter when it comes to crypto. This market is still largely dominated by retail investors, so it's important to know where the hordes are looking and what they're talking about. Go on Twitter, go on Lunar Crush, go on TikTok, find out what they're talking about. Really look into it. Get your head in the game. Rather than getting all aloof about it, why not take the opportunity to learn what you can from this experience to optimize the investments in your portfolio so that maybe you won't miss the train next time. But anyways, that's the video. So, what do you think? Did you invest in Dogecoin or SafeMoon? How'd that go for you? Let us know in the comments section of this video below. Thanks everyone. Peace.